Sweetie, you making biscuits? You were. Oops. Say, I don't want you too far away, huh? There you go. Yes. What you doing? Oh, ready, set. Yes. Oh my goodness. You look better. You're walking better on the paw. You need some more brushing though. No mats, that's a good thing. No fleas, you're feeling better. Actually, you need it this time in here, huh? Yes, you did. What you doing? Pretty boy. I gotta do a lot of editing on this one, I bet. Oh, oh my goodness. All you're doing is, yeah, there. Say hello, public. Come on. Come here. Come on. All right, let's do this.